Hi, I'm scared to death, super nervous today because I'm going for nanoporation treatment. Yeah, it's a big thing. So do join me in documenting this. Hi, this is Preet Kaur. Today I'm going to be documenting my treatment process. So what treatment process? Actually, I've been doing a lot of makeup due to my work commitment. So I keep makeup on for really long time. So there's a lot of wear and tear that happens. On top of it, it's age. So as I'm aging, there are problems that are occurring on the skin. And I am not liking myself like this. So I thought of going to my Dr. Umaira. Along with you, there's somebody else also with me, my husband, Vishal Nair. He's going to be recording. He's a little no-no about it. You will get to hear it from him only. I hope that through this video, I'll be able to help you guys, opt for this treatment or not opt for it. I'm going to be recording this journey in the sense that after I'll take this treatment, come Vishal, come. So after I'll take this Vishal, enter, come on. So after this treatment, what's the recovery process, how it's going to be, whether it's proven good to me or not. So all that is going to be documented through this video. Vishal, you can say hello and I'm sorry. So yeah, you can say hello and you can tell the viewers what is your take on your treatment process.
I don't know really because for me it's a completely new thing, and we went to the doc before, and she explained to us it's really good and it basically hydrates your skin and everything. So I'm just going with the flow. My wife wants to do it, so I'm like letting her do it, and we'll see the results in a couple of days and see what's really suiting her or not, right?
Thank you, dear husband.
Do I have a choice?
No, you don't. So see you at the clinic with Dr. Umaira. You know what? Before every treatment, my stomach goes.
Okay, so finally we've come to Dr. Umaira's clinic, and मुझे पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है क्योंकि मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नया है, and प्रीत यहाँ लेके आई है मुझे, and I hope this treatment goes well for her because I'm also quite nervous about getting her skin treated. So yeah, I hope this works out for you.
Well, we are late for my appointment, and I hope Dr. Umaira is free. And soon she's going to treat me.
जो ये basically हमेशा होता है ना, मतलब whenever we have to go somewhere for an appointment, और लड़के हमेशा तैयार होने में इतना late.
Excuse me, last minute I preponed my appointment. Look at this man.
Okay. Hi, so this is Dr. Umaira.
Hello.
Hi, and yeah.
You just gave her a shocker.
That's what it is for.
Can we spend 2 minutes there?
Yes, we can.
We had spoken last time when I had come, what my concerns are.
And we can start with, with a milder procedure like say vitamin C absorption or say PRP. PRP also works wonder. Okay, so to hydrate your face, to lift your face, but not like fillers and Botox. But still, it's it's a very natural effect.
And I was thinking nanoporation. Do you think we should go with that or the PRP treatment that you are telling me?
See, nanoporation I said because that day when I saw you, your face was looking little dull and tired. So for that, nanopore works really wonder. We can use PRP along with nanoporation also. So in nanoporation is a machine, okay? So
right.
We can use any type of serum, like you can use vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and PRP, like say your own plasma.
Okay.
So that works wonder. So if you have like say you have shooting or anything and swelling is the concern, then I'll use PRP with nanoporation. So your downtime is rather than wasting a week, just say for 2 days.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So I just completely trust you.
Thank you so much. So we'll do that then.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with PRP with nanocorrection. It gives you one. So we collect 12 ml of your blood.
Okay. And how much time
Sure.
does that take? I'm not even going to look at the blood. I've got phobia.
This is a blood which we collect. Now this we'll put in a machine, in a centrifuge machine, and then we separate growth factor with RBCs. So I'm going to show you after we collect. So growth factor will come like say in upper layer, and the RBCs goes down.
Okay.
And that RBCs we use for your face.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
this is your plasma.
Okay.
The upper layer is the plasma,
Yes, sir.
and the RBC is below.
Yeah, this is your.
So you're going to be injecting the plasma into the.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Are you ready for it?
Very much. I'm thrilled. So yeah, they are applying. It's called Prolog cream, right?
Numbing cream.
Numbing cream. Though it's not really required. People who have tolerance towards little pain can actually do without it also. But I just thought I don't want to look like frozen or fearful while being shot. So I thought I'll just apply a thin layer of it. आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name?
Nisha.
Nisha. So just apply a thin layer of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this we will keep for about 20 minutes, Nisha.
25 minutes.
20-25 minutes. After that, my treatment will start. Prylog cream off, treatment on.
Using the plasma. Any?
Not at all. So the next time you're suggesting that I can take it without Prylog cream also.
Without numbing cream also you can do it completely.
Do you get like a ticklish feeling or something?
Scratchy.
Scratchy? And what is this that you are?
This is vitamin C solution.
Okay.
So I'm using plasma with vitamin C for for better results.
Oh wow.
So Nanopore we either do only with vitamin C or plasma. So for her I'm using both.
Cocktail of both.
Cocktail, yes.
So we are done with the
Yes.
needling. We are done with. Okay. So about aftercare and about do's and don'ts about this treatment. थोड़ा सा let me know.
So aftercare, definitely you have to use sunscreen.
Okay.
Don't wash your face for at least a day.
Okay.
Like with face wash.
Okay.
You can splash cold water.
Okay.
And makeup definitely you have to avoid for 2 days.
All right.
And then that's it. And hot water, yes.
Hot water I cannot.
Avoid,
Okay.
yes, yes.
I generally also don't apply water on my face.
Hot water.
Yeah. Hot water actually. Don't apply
Don't
water.
apply water.
Okay, so I'm done with the needling.
process, and there is burning sensation on my face which I'm feeling. So just to cure it and to get some relief, she's applying a soothing pack on my face. This we need to apply for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I can't tell you how nice it's feeling. Oh, so soothing. I want to keep it on for the entire day.
I can't recognize my wife. I don't think she's the one behind this mask.
Thank you for being with me, Mr. Husband.
Oh, do I have a choice? I'm saying it again. How do you feel?
So yeah, 2 minutes back there was a burning sensation, as I told you. But this pack is really relieving. It's really soothing and calming. So yeah.
It looks like you put plaster of Paris on your face. I hope this hardens you up.
I did bring you along to be mean.
No, it's just new for me. I just don't know what is this all about. But yeah, I'm just going with the with your gut and with your instinct. That's it.
You'll get used to it.
Oh, okay.
Once you see the
there's
results.
on your hair. Okay, I think वो melt हो रहा है. Your face is like completely warmed up, I guess, after that treatment. That it's all melting.
अरे वो मेरी आँख में चल रहा है.
Just try it.
I want to see myself first, how I'm looking. I'm sure I must be looking all flushed right now. As Dr. Rumaira said.
Right now, to me, you're looking like a red pumpkin.
Oops. Oh. So yeah, Dr. Rumaira said it's going to take 2-3 days to, me to look normal again, and then 5 days for it to start showing results. Yeah, a lot of weight.
How are you feeling after the treatment?
Oh, I'm feeling okay. Same old, same old. Okay, so let me just see myself in the mirror. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so can you see here? There is a lot of redness, and here too. I think it will subside with time. Yeah, and I feel stretched right now. My skin still feels hot. And numbed because I was such a big scaredy cat that I said, please apply Frylock cream on me. I'm too much sometimes. So if I attempt the next session, I'm definitely going to go without Frylock cream. But at this point, I think I'm thinking too much into the future. I'll have to let this subside and work on it so that it heals faster and I get better recovery and better result.
So yeah, just out of the clinic, as much as I was frightened, now I'm feeling better. The doctor has told me to take care of certain things, apply a lot of intense moisturizer for next few days, and the vitamin C serum that I was applying till now, I will have to just, quit applying it for another 5 days. On top of it, a lot of sunscreen on my face, followed by no sun at all. So yeah, these are the things that I'll have to really take care of. As she said, I cannot wash my face for next 24 hours with face wash. Aftercare I'll have to keep in mind. Of course, I'm going to be recording and documenting how I'm recovering and whether it's showing results as I expected or not. For that, you'll have to watch my next video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please do watch my next video.